No, this is a GT. This is a GT2 RS. Yeah, this is the most powerful of all the 911s, and I believe it's for sale. No way, it's for sale, and they're only asking $175,000. That's a bargain. Great price. Oh, I see why. Okay, this is not a GT2 RS. This is really a Porsche 911 Turbo, and they converted it into a GT2 RS. Yeah, so it's all-wheel drive. It's a 911 Turbo, so it's a turbocharged 3.8 liter motor, and I would have never known the difference. Oh my God, they turned it into a GT2. They added all the body panels.
That's what we did last like 45 minutes.
I mean, it had me fooled. I did not know at all. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, okay, yeah, look, oh yeah, that's a regular 911 Turbo's interior. I can see the PDK transmission and even the steering wheel and everything. Yeah, inside is all basic 911 Turbo, but the exterior, it's a GT2 RS kit. So, you know, for an owner who wants the comfort of the regular 911 Turbo and I guess the cruising luxury of the regular Turbo, but wants the hardcore looks of the most powerful Porsche, this is the way to do it. and here we have a real GT2 RS. So the last one I saw you was really a 911 Turbo that's been converted. So this is what the real thing looks like. Hard to tell the difference, eh? But the way you tell the difference is the interior. You can see the Alcantara in there. You could, yeah, definitely more race-inspired interior.